Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Federal and provincial ministers, senior civil and military delegates, chairmen and chief executives of national and international defense exhibitors, President, Chamber of Commerce, OEMs, Excellencies, academia, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. On behalf of people of Pakistan, I extend a very warm welcome to the distinguished participants of Pakistan's 12th edition of International Defense Exhibition and Seminar, Ideas 2024. I am personally very pleased to see the presence of a large number of guests, including honorable delegates, exhibitors, and trade visitors who traveled from all around the world to join us on this edition of innovation and excellence. Indeed, your presence here truly complements our resolve for fostering and promoting strategic relations with partners and friends while encouraging technological growth and knowledge sharing. Distinguished guests, good governance, revitalizing national economy, poverty alleviation, combating extremism, and investing in human health are the key priorities of our government. I am, therefore, particularly pleased to share with a vibrant population of more than 240 million people growing consumer demand as well as improved governance and security. Pakistan today offers enormous opportunities for profitable investments, joint ventures, and trade in all sectors, including defense industry. Ladies and gentlemen, today the increasingly complex security environment poses multifaceted threats to national security and stability. With rapid advancement of technology and proliferation of related knowledge, we are experiencing a visible change in established security paradigm. Indeed, we need greater cooperation and collaboration at regional and extra-regional levels, where new technologies are playing a vital role in confronting these challenges. Its responsible use can make the world a better and safer place. Pakistan, being a responsible state, is always committed to play its role for international peace, stability, and order. Reciprocity, mutual interests, and international norms are the guiding principles that govern Pakistan's relations at the bilateral and multilateral levels. In the regional context, the transformation of South Asian geostrategic environment has further accentuated the importance of this region in the world affairs. Resultantly, the regional cooperation and active engagement of regional players has become imperative, particularly to achieve regional peace, security, and socio-economic development. On the other hand, instability and turmoil that has beset our region for many years also needs a firm and coordinated response by all stakeholders. We believe in meaningful dialogue on the basis of equality, not only to resolve bilateral issues, but also to give chance to peace and harmony in our region. At our end, Government of Pakistan, in collaboration with our partners, is steadfast to its unflinching commitment to peace and stability in the world. Distinguished guests, it is heartening to note that Pakistan's defense industry has now reached the threshold of quality and reliability wherein its products are competing in the international defense market. Though Pakistan is now exporting some high-tech defense products to more than 60 countries, but the volume of exports is not at par with its actual potential. A crucial factor, however, has been the limited involvement of private sector in defense production and export activities. In addition, relatively less attention has been given to academia, industry interface, and involvement of R&D organizations, which has curtailed the competitiveness of certain sectors of this industry. In order to achieve this objective, I will stress upon integration of public-private defense industry to achieve maximum results. New ideas, entrepreneurship, and management skills mastered by the private sector need to be co-opted with public sector defense industry. The potential of academia and R&D organizations shall be utilized to strengthen the efficiency and volume of our defense production and exports. It is heartening to know that 12th edition of Ideas will have a healthy participation of startups of leading engineering and technical University of Pakistan, as well as the industries related with chambers of commerce. We will continue to create a business investor-friendly environment for investments in human capital and professional in this demand-driven industry. Strategic Plans Division with its 4 commissions, NASSCOM, PAEC, KRL, and SPARCO, backed up by 20 R&D institutions and 2,000 PhD scientists, are pursuing self-reliance in defense sector. The objectives is tall and needs collaborative efforts by both defense and private sectors. Therefore, a defense ecosystem is being established for providing connectivity between the two. A front window of ecosystem named ConnectTech is being launched through the platform of Ideas, which you all may like to visit. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey towards self-reliance in defense sector, and the Ideas would witness inauguration of Shahpur 3 near high altitude long endurance HAIL UAV of 60 feet wingspan. Shahpur 3 will enable us to conduct precise and effective operations, minimizing risks to our brave soldiers. The capability would be available for export to our brotherly countries. Government of Pakistan is committed to deliver an industrial strategy that contributes to growth and employment and encourages subject matter expert SMEs to come forward and join hands with development of our defense industry. Distinguished guests, when we talk about defense industry, International Defense Exhibition and Seminar, Ideas is an iconic platform for showcasing latest defense technology and innovations. In fact, IDEA is regional gateway for international manufacturers and suppliers to explore new avenues of defense cooperation through joint ventures. Presence of large number of foreign exhibitors, OEMs, and delegates also reflect Pakistan's deeply embedded and mutually beneficial relations with international fraternity. I would say Ideas is a shared vision of global peace, stability, and harmony amongst the Committee of Nations. Idea's slogan, Arms for Peace, truly reflects Pakistan's principled stance in this regard. Ladies and gentlemen, the other important facet of Ideas 2024 is the capstone seminar, which is being held here in parallel to this exhibition. The relevance of reflecting on Pakistan defense production potential and challenges, opportunities and way forward is to create an intellectual environment for alternative policy choices and associated security matters. These interactive deliberations are benefited by the informed views of Pakistani, regional and international subject experts. I am pleased to note that a number of participants, including leading civil and military figures and experienced honorable foreign delegates, add value to these important deliberations. Distinguished guests, I appreciate the efforts of Ministry of Defense, Production and Defense Export Promotion Organization, DEPO, for successfully holding a series of ideas to exhibit the best of Pakistan's defense sector and promoting international cooperation in the field of defense production. My appreciation for continuous support of federal and provincial ministers, Pakistan Armed Forces, law enforcement agencies, and Government of Sindh for successful conduct of this mega event. My special thanks are for people of Karachi for extending warm hospitality and cooperation in making this occasion a great success. I am positive that this landmark event will progress many folds in the years to come. I thank you all. Pakistan, Mindabad.